Imagine a motorhome that redefines the meaning of luxury on the road. The 2026 Toyota Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile palace designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, or innovation. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at everything that makes this American motorhome a true game-changer in the world of RVs. From the moment you lay eyes on the Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker, its presence is commanding. Towering on 2 levels, it blends the rugged reliability Toyota is known for with a futuristic aesthetic that turns heads wherever it goes. Its exterior design is sleek yet imposing, featuring aerodynamic lines that not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency. Every detail, from the LED headlamps to the dual-level panoramic windows, has been meticulously crafted to balance style and functionality. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the space. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the double-decker design allows for an expansive interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The lower deck is designed for the ultimate in practicality. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a built-in refrigerator with a freezer. Ample counter space and smart storage solutions make cooking on the road a breeze. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining and lounge area. Plush seating, high-quality upholstery, and an intelligent layout ensure that everyone can relax comfortably. The lower deck also includes a modern bathroom featuring a full shower, smart toilet, and ample storage for toiletries and linens. Everything is designed to maximize space while maintaining a luxurious feel. Now, let's talk about the upper deck, the crown jewel of the Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker. This area is designed for relaxation and entertainment like no other motorhome can offer. Imagine waking up to panoramic views from the upper-level bedroom suite, complete with a king-size bed, premium linens, and customizable ambient lighting. Smart glass windows allow you to control privacy and sunlight, creating the perfect environment for rest or work. The upper deck also features an entertainment lounge with a high-definition LED TV, surround sound system, and integrated smart connectivity, allowing you to stream content, play games, or enjoy movies wherever you are. A small bar area with a wine fridge and coffee station adds to the feeling of a luxurious retreat on wheels. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this space turns every journey into an experience. Performance-wise, the 2026 Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker is no slouch. Powered by Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, it combines fuel efficiency with impressive torque, making it capable of handling steep inclines, long highways, and rugged terrains with ease. The vehicle includes adaptive suspension technology and advanced stability control, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging roads. Despite its size, maneuverability has been prioritized, with advanced parking assist systems and 360-degree cameras making tight spots much less stressful. Safety is another cornerstone of this motorhome. Toyota has incorporated a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, especially during long trips across unfamiliar routes. Connectivity and smart technology are at the heart of the Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems, all accessible via smartphone or tablet. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power appliances and reduce reliance on external power sources, giving you true off-grid capability without sacrificing comfort. Storage has also been reimagined in this motorhome. External compartments allow for luggage, sports equipment, and other essentials, while interior storage solutions make organization effortless. Even small details like retractable steps, modular furniture, and foldable tables have been thoughtfully designed to optimize every inch of space. For outdoor enthusiasts, the 2026 Toyota Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker offers extendable awnings, an integrated grille, and an outdoor entertainment system. You can enjoy breakfast on the patio or host friends for a sunset gathering, all while staying connected to nature without leaving any creature comforts behind. Luxury, performance, and innovation come together in this motorhome, but what truly sets it apart is the experience it delivers. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who want to explore the open road without giving up the comforts of home. Whether it's cross-country adventures, weekend trips, or long-term travel, the Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker provides the ultimate combination of freedom, luxury, and practicality. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker is redefining the standards for motorhomes. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, design, and customer satisfaction. With its double-decker layout, advanced hybrid powertrain, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology, it stands out as one of the most impressive motorhomes on the market today. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in style, comfort, and confidence, this motorhome is the vehicle that makes that dream a reality. So, whether you're an adventure seeker, a luxury traveler, or someone who simply wants the best of both worlds, the Imperial Cruiser Double-Decker is here to transform your journey. Step inside, buckle up, and experience the open road like never before.